Good morning to everyone. Welcome to our social class. Before going into the topic, I am going to sing a prayer song. Children, all of you close your eyes. Okay. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya मृत्योमा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay. Today's quote is, there is no failure, you either win or learn. There is no failure, you either win or learn. Okay, children, I show you some images. You have to find the today's topic name. Shall I show you the images? Okay. You have to see the images. After that, you have to find the topic name. I think you all guess the topic name. Okay. Today we are going to see about music. What is that? Music. Indian music can be classified into two types. One is classical music and folk music. One is classical music and another one is folk music. In this class, we are going to see about classical music. Classical music. Classical music mainly performed in court of kings in older times. Ragas or musical notes are important in classical music. The classical music express different emotions like love, sadness, happiness, like that. In older days, classical music performed in king's courts. Ragas or musical notes are important in classical music. The classical music express different emotions like love, sadness, happiness, like that. The instruments are veena, sitar, sarat, tabla, flute are the classical instruments. I show you the images. This is the image of veena, sitar, sarat, tabla, and this is the image of flute. These are the classical music instruments. We have two types of classical musics. Two types of classical musics. One is Carnatic music from South India and Hindustani classical music from North India. Carnatic music from South India and Hindustani classical music from North India. The classical musics are performed by classical musicians. The classical musics are performed by classical musicians. Some famous classical Indian musicians are Ustad Bismillah Khan, he is a Shanai player. Ustad Alak Ra Khan, he is a tabla player. Amjad Ali Khan, he is a sarat player. And Hariprasad Chaurashia, he is a flute player. Right? I think you all got a clear idea about classical music. Classical musics mainly in two types. One is the musics mainly in two types. One is classical music and folk music. Classical music performed in king's courts in older times. Ragas or musical notes are important in classical musics. The classical music express different emotions like sadness, happiness, love, like that. The instruments are veena, sitar, tabla, flute, like that. two types of classical music are Carnatic music from South India and Hindustani classical music from North India. The classical musics are performed by classical musicians. These are the some famous classical Indian musicians, right? Today's eye exercise. This is your today's eye exercise. You do the exercise, you recover the digital eye strain, right? This this name is palming, that is close your eyes, place your hands over your eyes. The position of your hand is important. The center of your palm should be cover your eyes like this image. Your finger strip should be on your forehead. Okay, repeat this exercise 3 times a day. When you working with digital device means you overcome the eye strain. This is your homework session. Do question number 1 in book page number 38. Okay, thank you children. Stay home, stay connected. Thank you.